My name is Madigan. I'm a career education coordinator at CSU's Career Center, and I am going to take you through how to use the Career Center's drop-in feature, and then Jenny's going to take you through how to schedule appointments with full-time staff. So I'm going to start by opening a new window and going to the Career Center website. So that's career.colostate.edu. You can see when you get here that we've gone virtual. We have virtual career advising, and that for quick career questions, we have drop-ins from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Monday through Friday. So drop-ins would be a good option if you have a quick question about an internship job search, want someone to give your resume a look over. These appointments tend to last somewhere between 15 and 20 minutes, whereas an appointment with a full-time staff tends to last about 45 minutes. So if you have a quicker question, drop-ins are a great option. Basically, all you have to do is hit this chat with us button at the bottom of the screen. So when you hit the chat with us button, you pretty much just enter your name, your email, and then hit that you're there for a drop-in advising request and start chatting. So once you start chatting, the Career Center front desk is actually monitoring this. They'll get in contact with you, ask for your email and ID number, check you in, and connect you with a career specialist who can answer any of your questions. The career specialist will also be using Zoom to connect with you all. So if you don't have a Zoom account, just go ahead and create a Zoom account real quick. But other than that, it's pretty easy. And that is how to use drop-ins.
Alrighty, to make an appointment with the Career Center, you're going to go to career.colostate.edu. You'll land on our homepage here. And then you're going to go to the top right where it says Connect One-on-One. You're going to click that. And you're going to scroll down to where you see Handshake and go ahead and click on that. You all already have a Handshake account with your EID. So this screen's going to pop up. You're going to click it. And you're going to log in with your credentials. Now, once you're logged in, Handshake's homepage will show up. On this website, you can look at job postings, you can look at employers and that sort of thing. But for this video, we're doing appointments. So we're going to go up to the top right here and click Career Center. And then we're going to click on appointments here on the left. Then we're going to click Schedule an Appointment. Alrighty, I had to switch to a different view. You won't have all the stuff on the left here. It'll still look like this middle part. And it will already have your college, and then it'll also have the option for exploring your options. So what you can do is you can either click on your college. So for example, College of Liberal Arts, Kelsey's the career manager. So you'll click on that. And then you say what type of appointment you'd like. And then it'll pull up any available slots that Kelsey has. And you go ahead and click on it, and you fill it all in. Make sure you're putting specifically in this help requested. It's really helpful if you give as much detailed information as you can. And then once you've filled in all of the things, you hit create. And then you should get an automatic email from Handshake saying that your appointment was approved. And then as you get closer to that appointment time, then Kelsey would reach out to you with a link to Zoom to have that meeting with you. And that's it. Now, if you forget when your appointment was, you can come back to Handshake, Career Center, Appointments, and it'll show you all previous appointments that you have down here. And then it will have upcoming appointments here. I don't have any, but if I did, it would show up right here. And that's it. If you're trying to make an appointment with Madigan or I specifically, you either need to click Exploring My Options in Handshake when you're going in to make the appointment instead of choosing your college, or you can just email one of us your availability and we'll find a time for you.